Hi everyone, it's Pearl Jellyfish. Today, we're going to be making lemon icy slime. Alright, so the first thing we need is clear glue. So you can also use white glue, but I think the clear glue makes it more of an icy look. So I'm going to use about that much, maybe a little more. Okay. Alright. Now I'm going to add baking soda. Here it is. And I like to get mine out with a little popsicle stick. And I'll mix that in. Okay. Now I'm going to add my color. So I want to make it a yellowy kind of color. I want to make it a light lemon. So I'll start with that much. Okay, now it's time to add the ingredient that will really make this icy slime, and that is fake snow. So I have repurposed this old slime container and I put a bunch of artificial snow in it. So I am just going to dump some in and mix it in. Dump some, mix some, until I have just enough in. Okay, so I'm going to put about that much in. And I'll mix this. So it may seem like it's getting very mushy, and that's because the snow is very wet, and it has a lot of moisture in and on it. So we just get it all mixed in, and you can see it's kind of like drippy, but it's like a drippy kind of melted slushy, actually icy. Okay, I'm gonna add a little more, and I'll mix that in. Alright, now I'm going to add contact lens solution. So I will be adding more snow later, but I would like to get it stickier first, just a little, so that it will really stay. So it may seem like you need a lot, but you really don't need a lot. But it might feel like you're using a lot because it only squirts out a little bit. So it might take a bunch more than you would expect, but it just really depends on how much baking soda you have. What's in your glue, what company it is, really everything. So you can see it's not really becoming slime very much. And I'm going to add a little bit more baking soda. There's some. Okay, I'll mix it in. So you can see now it's getting lumpier already. contact lens solution. And it's better to add more of the contact lens solution than the baking soda, because the baking soda will, if you add too much, get very clumpy. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit more, mix that in, and then I'm going to add some more of the snow. So it's getting a lot stickier now, and you can see it's staying in place more. So I'll put some snow in, and I'll mix it. I think I'm going to make this completely slime now, and then I'll add the snow once that's done. Alright. Alright. It's definitely getting thicker now. Alright, so you can see it's really starting to pull away from the edges now, and it's really pulling together. Okay, now I'm going to put some contact lens solution on my hands, and make sure you get it in between your fingers, otherwise it will really stick to you the first time you touch it. Okay. So it's really slippery and it's hard to hold, but you're just gonna keep pushing it through. Okay, I'm going to add some more contact lens solution. And you can use other activators for this slime, but I prefer the baking soda and contact lens solution. So it's really starting to hold together now. Okay. So it's now at the point where I am going to switch it into more of an icy slime and less of slime with snow in it. So I am going to add more snow. Okay. So start with about that much, and I'm just going to kind of mix it in. Okay. So you can see it's starting to get sticky again. So I'm going to put some contact lens solution in. Okay. I'm going to put my last batch of snow in. Well, the last batch that I'm going to put into this. And then I'll add some contact lens solution and maybe a little baking soda, and then it'll be done. Okay. So it is now pretty much slime. So I'll add a little bit more contact lens solution. And I'll mix it in. Alright. So now we have the slime. So it's really nice, and it's soft, and it's smooth. It has a really nice lemony ice color, and it's just really fun to hold and stretch. It's super flexible, super stretchy, and it's almost like mushy. So I really like how this slime turned out. And thank you for watching. If you like my channel, subscribe and like. If you'd like to get notified when I post a new video, just click the bell. Thank you and have a great day.